See what I got you. A gift. You want to open it and see what's inside? Okay, let's open it and see what all is inside. Are you excited? Yes. So pick up one packet and tell me what is it.
What is this?
Do you want to open it and see?
Yes. A wheel and shark and a crab and a fishy
One more.
and a pearl.
Yeah. You want to take out more?
Oh, what is this?
These are moles. You can put sand in it. You can make a lot of shapes in it. Okay, take out another packet.
Wow, a colored sand.
Yeah, a colored sand. What color is this?
Blue.
Yay, your favorite blue color.
Yes.
More stuff.
Uh,
Okay.
and a normal sand.
Normal sand, yes.
From a beach.
What? Yes, exactly. Like how you play on the beach. What is this?
Oh, pebbles.
What color?
White.
Okay. Give it to me. Take out another one. We open it like this. 1, 2. You can take Mama's help, okay?
See.
Whoa, look. So many colors.
And one color blue.
Yes, blue. Can you find the red color one? Yay. Do you want to put it back?
Yes.
Okay, take out another one. What else is there in the tub?
Oh, what is this?
What is this? These are beads and shells.
Beach shells.
Yes.
What is this? What is this?
These are colored pasta.
Colored pasta.
Yes, you can make a lot of things from it. You can hide it in the sand. You can play with it.
What is this?
My God, such bright colors. These are cleaning pipes. You
And
can
one
make.
blue cleaning pipe.
Oh, look at this. Images of real ocean. Look at this. Oh, what is this?
Submarine.
Oh, and this?
Corals.
Yeah. And who is it?
I don't know.
A diver.
Diver.
Lovely. There is lot more. A colored paper.
There.
More stuff.
What?
Yes. These
Coral.
are no.
Plants.
Yes. Sea water plants. More. Can you
And-
find more stuff? Book. Oh, yay!
What is in this book?
It's an ocean book.
Oh,
Under the
octopus.
ocean, yes.
Oh, give me. And some fishies swimming. And wait, I'm not coming home. And a turtle swimming. And a whale swimming.
Yes.
And finish.
Finish. Lovely. Are you excited to play with your tub now? Say bye. Bye.
Bye.